First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 9 by 13-inch pan with parchment paper. Grab a medium bowl and whisk together 2½ cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Set it aside. In a large bowl, beat 1 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of sugar until it's light and fluffy. Now mix in 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract if you like. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture until just combined. Press the dough evenly into your prepared pan. Bake for 25 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Let it cool completely. While that's cooling, let's make the frosting. Beat 1/2 cup of softened butter until creamy. Slowly add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Then, mix in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Want some color? Add food coloring. Spread the frosting over the cooled bars. Top with sprinkles if you want. Cut into bars and enjoy.